Hello. Welcome to day 3, Wednesday, November 18th. It is Wednesday, so that means we will not meet together for class. So that means it is an async day. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video. Then you'll click async. You have 2 activities to do in async today. The first activity is comparatives and superlatives in MEL. Okay? And that will be ready for you. Then you will do a Nearpod on compare and contrast. You guys are now experts in Nearpod, so I don't have to go through it, but just for fun, I will. So here you will take notes, take notes, take notes. Then you'll take a quiz. And then when you're done with the quiz, you finish, and then there'll be a game, and then you'll be done. Okay? Be sure to do it. And that's it for ASIC. There is a wonderful, wonderful talk highlighting Higher Education Week. So at 10 o'clock, Student Services will be giving a workshop on your plans after Carlos Rosario. What do you plan to do? Do you have a plan? It's at 10 o'clock, and here's the Zoom code on the bottom and the password. All right, so make sure you attend if you're interested in learning more about higher education, training programs, and scholarships. That's it for today. Good luck.